Los Angeles, often referred to as LA, is the largest city in California and the second largest city in the United States, following New York City. The city covers an area of approximately 503 square miles, making it one of the largest cities in the world by land area. Los Angeles is known for its Mediterranean climate, featuring warm, dry summers and mild, wet winters, which makes it a popular destination year-round. The city is home to more than 4 million residents, making it one of the most populous cities in the United States. Los Angeles is renowned as the entertainment capital of the world, with Hollywood being its most famous district and the historic center of the film industry. The Hollywood sign, originally erected in 1923 as Hollywoodland, is an iconic symbol of the American film industry and has become a cultural landmark. The city was founded in 1781 by Spanish Governor Felipe de Neve and was originally named El Pueblo de Nuestra Señora la Reina de Los Angeles de Porciúncula. LA is a melting pot of cultures, with significant populations of Hispanic, Asian, and African American communities, contributing to its rich cultural diversity. The Getty Center, an art museum designed by architect Richard Meyer, is one of the most visited cultural attractions in Los Angeles, featuring an impressive collection of European paintings, drawings, and decorative arts. The Los Angeles County Museum of Art, LACMA, is the largest art museum in the western United States and boasts a diverse collection of over 150,000 works. Los Angeles is famous for its beaches, including Venice Beach and Santa Monica Beach, which attract millions of tourists and locals each year. The city's public transportation system, known as Metro, has expanded significantly in recent years, including the addition of light rail lines and bus rapid transit routes. The Griffith Observatory offers stunning views of the Los Angeles skyline and is a popular spot for stargazing and learning about astronomy. LA is known for its car culture, with many residents relying on personal vehicles for transportation due to the city's sprawling layout. The city has a vibrant music scene, being the birthplace of various genres, including West Coast hip-hop and the California punk rock movement. The annual Academy Awards, also known as the Oscars, are held in Los Angeles, celebrating outstanding achievements in the film industry. Los Angeles is home to several major sports teams, including the Los Angeles Lakers, NBA, the Los Angeles Dodgers, MLB, and the Los Angeles Rams, NFL. The city has a thriving food scene, featuring a diverse array of cuisines from around the world, with food trucks and farmers markets being particularly popular. The Los Angeles International Airport, LAX, is one of the busiest airports in the world and serves as a major gateway for international travelers. The city is also known for its iconic landmarks, such as the Walt Disney Concert Hall, designed by architect Frank Gehry, which is renowned for its unique architecture and exceptional acoustics. LA has a significant tech industry, particularly in areas like Silicon Beach, which includes companies like Google, Snapchat, and Facebook. The city is a major center for fashion and design, hosting events like Los Angeles Fashion Week and being home to numerous fashion schools. The Hollywood Walk of Fame features over 2,600 brass stars embedded in the sidewalks, honoring individuals in the entertainment industry for their contributions. Los Angeles is famous for its diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique character, including Beverly Hills, downtown LA, and Koreatown. The city has a rich history in the automobile industry and is home to the Los Angeles Auto Show, one of the largest automotive exhibitions in North America. The Griffith Park, one of the largest urban parks in the United States, offers numerous hiking trails, picnic areas, and attractions like the Los Angeles Zoo. LA is known for its film festivals, including the Los Angeles Film Festival and AFI Fest, which showcase independent and international films. The city is a hub for higher education, hosting renowned institutions such as the University of Southern California, USC, and the University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA. The Natural History Museum of Los Angeles County features extensive exhibits on the natural world, including dinosaur fossils and rare gems. Los Angeles has a vibrant nightlife scene, with numerous bars, clubs, and live music venues offering entertainment for all tastes. The city is home to the largest concentration of museums and galleries in the United States, attracting art enthusiasts from around the world. LA is famous for its theme parks, including Universal Studios Hollywood, Disneyland Resort, and Six Flags Magic Mountain, drawing millions of visitors each year. The city has a strong environmental focus, promoting sustainability through initiatives like urban gardening and renewable energy projects. Los Angeles is known for its unique architecture, ranging from classic Art Deco buildings to modernist structures, reflecting the city's diverse history. The city has a large homeless population, and various initiatives and organizations work to address homelessness and provide support services. The Los Angeles Public Library System is one of the largest in the United States, with over 70 branches providing access to books, digital resources, and community programs. LA is famous for its street art and graffiti, with neighborhoods like downtown and the Arts District showcasing vibrant murals created by local artists. The city hosts numerous annual events and festivals, such as the Los Angeles County Fair, the LA Pride Parade, and the Dia de los Muertos celebration at Hollywood Forever Cemetery. The Los Angeles region is prone to earthquakes due to its location along the San Andreas Fault, and preparedness measures are an essential part of life in the area. The city has been featured in countless films and television shows, making it a beloved backdrop for many beloved stories and characters. The Hollywood Bowl is an iconic amphitheater that hosts concerts and performances, renowned for its unique natural acoustics and stunning views. Los Angeles has a strong influence on global pop culture, with many celebrities, musicians, and artists calling the city home. The city has a rich history of immigration, with waves of newcomers from various countries contributing to its cultural landscape.